Hey everybody, this is Robert again from Asia Pacific Gardening, and we have a friend right here. Hi, I'm Josh. Okay, and he been taking our bonsai wiring class a couple of months ago, and he bringing in this plant in front of us. I'm feeling it's both of us interested in this tree, but I would like to share this information. We're asking some question and let's study. Josh, I would like to ask you a first question. So when you bring the tree right here from the nursery, so of course you studied the tree, I would like to understand what this tree attract you spend the money to purchase.
Yeah, so I just bought this at Home Depot because I thought it was just cool looking with the pine needles, and also they turn yellow in the winter, which I thought was a cool aspect. And when you kind of look in here, there's just a lot of branches going on. So I just bought it with the intention of eventually potting it in a bonsai pot and seeing what I could come up with.
So you know the tree name. What kind of tree?
Yeah, this is a mugo pine.
This is our Pacific Northwest plant, tree, very common in the landscape area. You can see a lot of the tree. The common is this tree is a grow like a crown, just go out like this.
Out now.
So
Yeah.
do you have idea what you want to do with this tree? So our idea is, I suggest you consider you want to upgrade the tree when you want to go to the bonsai. So what part, what style you going to do this, and what part is more important for you?
For me, I really like the thick branch look. So I definitely want to keep a few of these thick branches. I like the thick trunk, so I'd like to be able to see that. But I didn't necessarily have a specific shape in mind yet.
Me too. I don't know yet.
So actually, let's study the tree because we still haven't removed the top layer and check out the nabari. So let's spend some time and remove the top layer first.
Okay. We spend the time to cleaning up the soil and try to find out what the good benefit of this tree. There's a lot of root system right here, and at this moment, how do you think, Josh?
Yeah, I like all of the roots here. I think there's value in that. I was thinking maybe we could put a rock in here somehow and get the root over rock effect. Incorporate that. Not necessarily this rock, but a rock, and we could play with the roots somehow.
So this is the front, right?
Now let's turn it
This
around.
one,
Ding.
you could do either side, really. There's so many
Well,
roots.
let's say if this is the front, okay?
Okay.
You put the rock there, approximately like this, the idea, and
And turn the tree towards me.
turn the tree.
And then that's our little cardboard bonsai pot.
Let's give you directly idea, and you can do different angle. Let me go back a little bit. I've got the pot
A
maybe
bit
not
more this way. I like this.
like this.
Yeah.
Go down
Maybe lift the pot up a little bit more.
like this,
A little bit more.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't see the pot on because the camera could look better. So we need the looking at from the different angle. So I hope this is the big wood right here is like a L like here. So if we can remove this extra root right here, showing the tree have the solid wood with the L shape.
Where's this L shape?
This one here, I'm not sure this part yet.
This is the front.
This is the front. Yeah, this is the front.
What was this?
This is the front. But to make sure
Put the
that,
tree up a little. There we go. I see the L shape now.
yeah, this part right here. But I'm not sure if this is work. I would like to use the water pressure to clean up this to make sure we're not cutting, because this would be different idea than the with you put the like a root over rock, because if we do this, I would like to remove all this extra root on the top.
Yeah.
See what's going on. Let's do some water pressure spray.
So this is the section that we're gonna kind of clear out and see if there's any trunk that we can play with. Oh, go ahead. So after washing it, that is kind of a trunk. Let's go back into the greenhouse and study this more.
This is the result after we open up the dunkel of this root. We saw this big trunk right here. If we can use it, of course you can plant it the tree like this is the rock. We can go cover over rock like this. That's another option, Josh. So
Right.
and I really like to see what the benefit using this big trunk to what we're talking about. This right here, see right here, so the camera can see it.
Yeah, this is the front, right? What
This-
I'm looking at.
Yeah, this is the front. Actually both sides is good too, but this is the one we try to use it because this is the value of the whole tree right here. They're showing the ages, the big trunk. The rest of them we can do wiring or limited some branches.
Okay.
And let me raising up this up like this.
Any other potential styles? We didn't film it earlier, but we considered potentially a cascade, but I don't know. I really like that L shape now.
Yeah, I'm liking the L shape too.
Well, I come up another idea. If we can find a big pumice rock and plant it like this on the top, and this we need to cover up with the soil for a couple years, that would be really nice, you know. Let me find the rock and talking about this.
Okay.
We come out another option for this tree. The benefit of after we open up we saw the long root system right here, and this tree have some cascade, originally have a cascade
Yeah,
style.
naturally.
Yeah. So we try to use the tree display as best as possible, and this would be crazy idea, and we like
so
the
cool.
we like the challenge, and we're going to you like this
I
side, right?
do. I like it. Let's go
Yeah.
for it. Yeah.
And we're going to maybe wrap it this with the soil and put the big dip bucket, plastic or ceramic, you know.
You want to add some characteristics to the rock first?
Yeah, I would like to do some
There's some grooves
detail.
going in there.
Yeah, and let the root can have some space to grow in between. In the future, that would be grow better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's do that. So now we've added some texture to the rock. Let's look at the back side of it. We've added some grooves so the roots can kind of go along these grooves. Let's place a tree on top and see what it looks like. It's like putting on a wig. Oh, nobody left.
Is that right position? Like this?
Can you rotate the rock this way? Yeah.
How about the tree?
How about you come over and look?
No, the tree.
Tilt towards you.
Yeah, a little bit more. Okay. I think this is the angle. When you pot it in the future, you can make adjustment.
So we're now put the hole here to put the wire through, so we can now anchor the
The tree.
yeah, we can anchor the tree to the rock. Otherwise, it's just gonna roll around, you know.
piece of rubber right here with this garden hose to protect it.
So there's a piece of the garden hose so it doesn't leave a scar on the tree when we wire and tighten it up. Now that it's anchored in there, it's stabilized, and we're gonna wrap this orange ribbon around the roots so that it stays put.
Go into position, bottom.
So we wrap the roots with this orange ribbon, that way it can grow along the pumice stone there, wire the tree in place. Now we're gonna stick it in here and continue the training. So let's pop that in place. Let's place that in. Get the right position.
Let me see from this side. Okay, good.
Let's add the soil in.
So we potted this. You can see the procedure how to do it, and we're gonna prune a little bit the extra branches, not much.
There's like one really small one in the center there.
This one here,
Yeah. That one's out of place.
and this two here, power on. Actually, this one, take it out first. Take this off. Take the one here. Cut back a little bit. Let's turn. This is like the maple tree. Look at this here. 1, 2, 3. Right? Can you see it?
Cut the middle.
Cut the middle. So just going to bring home and do some more detailed cleaning and maybe wiring. That's you can do continue that, and you can keep in touch with us. The one thing I want to mention here, this slot, the root right here, exposed right here, that's not the good idea. So I'm suggest use the bucket like this. Cut the bottom. Cut the bottom, and you probably only need that much soil. So maybe cut right here, and cut in the middle, so like a bucket like this, cover up, and use the wire to wire that, and put the soil until the soil right here.
Okay.
That would be security. It's like a potted the tree like here, but remember all the root will be continued down, and yeah, see the rock again next 2 or 3 years maybe.
Yeah.
No, we'll post a video in 2 to 3 years if we're still around on YouTube.
Yep. So this is the basic information to share with you guys, and thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel. And I would like to thank you, Josh, to bring in
Yeah.
this nice tree to working together.
Thank you guys.
As if you like this video, just click like and subscribe, and ask some question or leave a comment. And thank you very much. See you again soon.